What are you doing? What are you drinking? Okay, you want to eat chicken? Just show me how to eat chicken, please.
Mama.
Don't do that.
Buddy.
Do like Bati. Come over, Blah. Oh.
Maha, what are you eating? Maha? What are you eating?
Take a bite. Yeah.
Is it good?
Is it yummy chicken?
What happened?
Oh man, it's really big.
Oh, man.
Hello, Hamza. What are you eating?
Whatever this is, bell peppers and chicken. And onions. No, I'm not eating onions. Oh. They're just...
Hello, Betty.
You have them. Hello. How does
What
it
are
came
you
on the
eating?
skewer? Chicken. Yummy chicken.
Yummy chicken.
I offered to make it.
Is that a yummy chicken?
I offered to make it, so...
Maha, you want more?
I could have made this. But Mommy wouldn't let me. Mommy, why didn't you let me help?
Oh, it's almost done.
Oh.
Maha, you want more?
I didn't want you to make one skewer and say you made the chicken.
Yeah, good.
Take a bite.
Maha, where did you go? Aha, Jula Park?
Body Pucho, where does everybody go? Where does Abba go? And where does Baya go? And where does Baji go? Sleep?
Bobby wants to sleep.
And where does Ammi go? Mama.
Where are we all going?
Where does Maha go? Mama. Good girl.
I go to sleep.
Why do you go to
Where's
sleep?
Bobby go?
Why you don't do anything?
I slept for 4 hours. I didn't sleep last night.
I came in, checked your pulse, checked your breathing.